think I'm in the middle of the road. I don't know where's Adriel. Oh, hello everyone, I'm Kim. Welcome to the UK. Here we are walking. I think this is the heaviest snow this year. It's been snowing in the past month, but I think this one is the most heaviest snow. Look at my lashes. I'm wearing my lashes and yeah, beautiful. Look at Adriel far away. Look. Woohoo! Absolutely brilliant. It's quite cold, obviously, but just gonna put my gloves on. Give me a second. Adriel is over there. Look, he walked really slow. So we are going this direction. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh. Look at that. I think I'm in the middle of the road. I don't know where's Adriel. I don't know where's Adriel. I think he's there. He left me, I don't know. I'm using the front camera because the back camera is not really good. Where are you going? Ayun. It's really cold. Well, it's good though. It's good cold. Hello everyone. Hello po sa lahat. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button below and the notification bell to get my latest video. And it's all about life, weather, beauty tips, cooking. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure what genre I am going to, or what do you call that? What topic or the content of my channel, but there you go. Hey, I don't know what place this is. Look. Did you take picture, Nak? we'll just go. There you go. It's been snowing all day today, and I think it looks brilliant. Look at that. It's absolutely brilliant. I think there's a little tunnel over there, but I don't think we are going that direction. We're going in this direction. Here you go. This is UK. Well, I live in Lincolnshire. It's the Midlands, and I think this is the heaviest snow we have since this winter. Call it this winter. So there you go, guys. No. Yay! There you go.